Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All at the Cocktail. So here we are again, another Christmas season. So again, the boys from Canada, Dave from Booze on the Rocks and Rob from Rob's Home Bar have gone together with the other guy up north up there, Vino from 60 Second Cocktail. Have gone together and done another challenge this year, the Christmas Martini 2021 challenge. If you go in there and punch in that hashtag Christmas Martini 2021, you can see everybody's. So again, I wait till the last minute and I got mine in there. God, great, damn it. So this year I'm going to try to do some of the stuff that I freshly got at the store. And I'm going to use my little red shaker, my red flip-top shaker, so because it's the best. Get it? I've already iced up the shaker because I thought maybe that would kind of dissuade my Pomsky puppy. Pomsky. You know, he's like a designer dog. He's like Pomeranian and Husky. Anyways, if I open the thing up, he wants ice. So like, he won't maybe leave me alone. Here you go. This is the Christmas Rum Russian. Okay, now I could have used a good white plantation 3-star in here, but you know what? I went kind of a different direction. I'm going to use a Demerara white from Guyana, El Dorado 3. Okay, so we're going to put 2 parts of El Dorado 3 in there. Now we're going to put 1 part of our Peppermint Bark Rumchata. Everybody knows I love Peppermint Bark, but when I saw Peppermint Bark Rumchata, I'm like, oh, I got to get that. So we're going to put 1 part of our Peppermint Bark Rumchata in there. I hope if you appreciate this video, you'll subscribe so you're privy to all the different videos I do. Keeping up with Cocktail Tony standards, I got to put another ounce of rum in there. Definitely got a Costco near us. Look at that. It's like giant size, you know. Costco is great. I mean, you get things in bulk. They're cheaper. But sometimes, like, I don't want 15 salsas. What am I doing? 15 bottles of salsa. But it's so cheap. You know, when you really come to think of it. So I'm going to put another ounce of that in there. And then we're going to put like maybe a half, not quite even a half, of Peppermint Bark creamer. Now this is something, you really don't have to shake this, but I mean there's no fruit juice in it, so it doesn't require a shake. But I like to shake it because I want to get cold, I want to get the air in there, and I want the dilution. And you get all 3 of those. That's kind of why we shake, or stir for that matter. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a touch of heavy whipping cream in there. Now you can kind of adjust these two. If that's the sweet thing, you can put more heavy whipping cream. Some people don't like the fatty content in heavy whipped cream. Make sure that these flip top shakers are good for people who do not want to mess with a separate Hawthorne strainer, and they only like 3 different pieces. And it's all, well, there's 2. But thing just flips up, there's your strainer. It's built in. But make sure when you're about to shake, you press down on the other end so you don't get it over your head. Duh. And then give it a shake for like 10-11 seconds and try to let it cool while you're doing it. Hope you are having a good holiday season this year. We really need it. Some of us more than others. Okay, now we're going to give that a pour in the glass there. Make sure that you're leaving yourself space. A little bit of foam there. Okay. And then you can get all fancy and have your whip up some whipping cream and do all that stuff ahead of time. You know, that's great if you're all Mr. Preparedness, but Lord knows I'm not. So we're just going to do the store-bought stuff that's nice and quick. Does the trick. Try not to spray that everywhere, Ray. Okay. And then again, what you want to do is, if you want to get kind of fancy, you can have your hazelnut. I know Dave or somebody was calling it the bartender's cocaine. Well, anyways, I do it the lazy. This is the lazy ass method. It's called buy it at the store ground. Lazy, the quick method. Let's call it that. Okay. So we put that there, and then we're just gonna take some Angostura and drizzle it and put 3 or 4 drops in there. Angostura, right? That's not good with. But this is the Angostura cocoa bitters. I saw this at the grocery store. I'm walking on the one aisle where there's looking like, hey, well, check that out. Angostura cocoa bitters. Okay. So, you know, check it out. And it's good. I like it. Put maybe 4 to 5 drops of that in there. And then this is the piece de la resistance. Take this out of our freezer. There was frost all this a minute ago. Jagermeister Cold. I love this stuff. This stuff in my freezer. Every time I open up my freezer and I see something, I gotta have a little snort of this. No wonder it's going so fast. Look, you gotta pour this on top there. Drizzle that on the very top. So pour yourself a half, take a tiny sip up there, and then pour the rest in there. And then get yourself some Peppermint Bark. Well, I've got some good stuff at the store. I felt like a rube. I couldn't get the top up. I'm like playing with this thing going, how do you get the top up? And get yourself a good piece of Peppermint Bark out of there. Throw a little stir on there. Take a small bite. And then remember yourself, it's all about the cocktail, my friends. Wow, that's good. But I hope you people subscribe and stick around in 2022. God, that sounds weird. Because I got a lot of good things planned. A lot of things I'm lazy ass on I haven't done that I got to do. But I got a lot of really good things going. So I'll be seeing you in 2022. Catch you later.